Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Yes, dear students, welcome to chemistry online classes. Okay, the topic is atomic structure. Okay, last class we studied about atomic structure and all those what we call wavelength and all other atomic number, isotopes and all we studied. Now today we are going to study about frequency. What is frequency? Frequency also the symbol of frequency is written like this. What is meaning of this one means? It is actually Greek word nu. It is not new. Don't think that is new. It is nu. Okay. Frequency nu. What is frequency? Number of waves passes through a point, given point in 1 second. I will explain. Number of waves passes through given point in 1 second is called frequency, or nu is called frequency. Okay, is called frequency. Okay, what do you mean by number of waves passes through? Last class I explained. This is actually one wave, one trough and one crest. Here to here it is considered as one wave. So I mentioned that all charged particle moves like waves, like this. Correct? No? So it moves like a waves. One wave means one trough and one crest. Understood? One crest and one trough is called one wave. This is actually one wave. Here to here the length is called one wavelength. Understood? That means one wave. Okay, one wave. Okay. What is frequency means? This is a line. Okay. Light is a charged particle. Imagine one charged particle is present. It moves like this. Correct? Moves like this. It moving like a vibration. Correct? Oscillating. Okay. What happens? Here to here it moves. Here. When it reaches here, it is one wave. Okay. We are considering one point here. Okay. You just take one point here. One point. Like this. Okay. In this point, in 1 second, how many waves passes through that particular point is called in 1 second. In 1 second, how many waves passes through that particular? One wave means here to here. Correct? Another wave means here to here. 2 wave. 3 wave. Okay, just I consider this point. In 1 second I have to check. Okay, this is one point. I have to check. In 1 second how many waves passes. Now I can say, okay, 1 and 2, 3 waves passes in 1 second, like that. So you are counting how many waves passes through that particular point in 1 second. Don't think it is 3 waves. Lakhs of waves passes, because waves are moving like this. Understood? That speed of light moves. Understood? Within a blink it moves like this, and countless waves it can move like that. Understood? It passes through this point. Just I explained. Now we can say that how many waves passes through this particular this particular point in 1 second. Maybe 3 waves or 10 waves, 20 waves or 30 waves. It depends. Understood? Lakhs, crores, depends. Crores of waves passes through that particular point in 1 second. It is possible. Correct? No? So, number of waves passes through a given point. Given point means any point you can consider. Just consider this point. How many waves passes through that particular point like this? In 1 second. It may be lakhs, it may be thousand. That is called frequency. Number of. One wave means one up and one trough. Crest and trough. Understood? So, you just consider any point. Through that point, how many waves passes through that particular point in 1 second, that is called frequency. Understood? You can another explanation I can give. See, here to here, I already mentioned that it is one wave. Here to here, one wave. Correct? No? One wave. Then I can say that this is one wave, or I can say one cycle. It is not hero cycle, okay? Don't get confused. It is one cycle. One crest and one trough is considered as one cycle. You can call it another definition. You can say cycles per second pass through given point is called frequency. You can say the definition like this: number of waves passes through a given point in 1 second, or you can say cycles per second pass through a given point is called frequency. Cycle per second pass through a given point is also called frequency. One wave is nothing but one cycle. Remember, one wave is nothing but one cycle. So, what is the unit of frequency? Unit of frequency is called Hz. It is hertz. It is not hertz. Hurting, it is different. Hurting. I got hurted by you, like that you can say. Correct? No. But it is not hurting. It is hertz. How to pronounce? Hertz. Hz. Remember, frequency is number of wave passes through a given point in 1 second is called nu. Okay students, one more unit I can consider for this one is hertz is there, and second inverse. See, inverse, also unit of frequency. So, 1 hertz is nothing but 1 cycle per second. 1 cycle per second. Understood? 1 cycle per second is nothing but 1 hertz. Okay. Any doubt in this one? Please write down. Okay, dear students, now we are going to discuss about the next topic. That's about frequency is over. Velocity. Okay, velocity is represented by symbol c. Just c. Okay. That means the distance traveled by waves in 1 second. Wave in 1 second. Distance traveled by wave in 1 second. In 1 second, how many distance traveled? It may travel. See, lightning effect. It is like waveform. It comes. Correct? No. How fast it comes? It reaches Earth. Correct? No. Okay. Another example I will give you. How fast these waves travel. For example, you are standing here. You are calling your brother or sister. He may in America, USA, United States of America. There you. Okay, you just dial the number within 10 seconds. Okay, as phone started ringing at that time, hello man, how are you? Correct? No? How fast that wave travels from this mobile and to there. Actually, you are standing here. Imagine that how fast it travel. So it is called traveling speed is absolutely, so velocity of speed of light is given actually 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter second inverse. That much speed it travels. Almost all waves it travels through vacuum, that much speed. Right? That means that much speed you can expect. Just by dialing that number, immediately connect to that particular. Don't call to any government office. Okay. Okay. Even for customer care also. Don't expect that they never pick your call. Understood? Okay. The thing is, too fast it connects. For example, radio frequency it's coming. Understood? Akashawani. Correct? No? Immediately you are getting this one. How fast it travels? That and all radiation, these things and all this kind of what we call frequency, traveling speed is 3 into 10 to the power 8. Traveling speed. So velocity in the distance travelled by wave in 1 second, that means it travels kilometers and kilometers. Understood? Don't think it travels like this. You people are using catwalk like this slowly. Used to go very slowly with your friend. Correct? No? So half an hour distance you will travel by 2 hours. That is different, but here it is different. This will travel with the speed of light 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter second inverse. That much speed it reaches. That's what frequency velocity means. The distance travelled by wave in 1 second. 1 second it reaches. Correct? No? By dialing the number, within 2 or 3 minutes it reaches there actually. Just you dial the number, immediately it rings. Correct? No? Whether it takes 2 hour time, after dialing you have to stand like this. It was there in earlier days. They are connecting phones. When you call here abroad actually, they used to connect that particular STD, ISTD like that. Okay, that number will be connected to another one, another number will be connected to another particular, like that is the procedure. But nowadays, you can see technology is improved a lot. Just by dialing the number, immediately your call will be connected and everyone, oh, say hello, boy, like that. Understood? Okay. So, this is actually unit of this one, meter second inverse. Meter ms inverse, that means meter second inverse. Understood? Velocity, speed of, because almost all this one radiation means electromagnetic radiation travel with the speed of light, speed of even infrared, UV, all this travel with the speed of light. Correct? Velocity. Right up. Okay, my dear students, one relation is given between this speed of light and lambda, wavelength and frequency. That relationship is nothing but C is equal to lambda into nu. Lambda is nothing but wavelength, correct? That I explained in first class. Nu means frequency, C means speed of light. This is the relationship given between velocity, wavelength, frequency. Okay, this you can rearrange like this. Nu is equal to C by lambda. This also you can write like this. Understood? This is also one more rearrangement of this particular formula. Okay, please note down this two. Okay. Okay, my dear student, next is amplitude. Next is amplitude. This is not attitude, okay, don't get confused. Amplitude is different, attitude is different. What is amplitude? This is represented by A. Amplitude means height of crest, like this. Height of crest or depth of, here to here it is height, here depth of trough. Height of crest and depth of which one? Trough. Height of crest, depth of trough is called amplitude. height of crust and depth of here, sorry, height of crust and depth of trough is called amplitude. Here to here, here to here. Okay, just called amplitude. Next, wave number. Wave number. Wave number. What is wave number? So wave number, the symbol of wave number is, this is nu. Nu is nothing but a frequency, correct? No. Nu bar. My dear students, if I say this word, some of them they get excited. You whether it is nu bar, it is not nu bar, it is nu bar. Okay, don't get confused. Nu bar is different, a different bar. Okay, that is the line I am not going to explain. This is nu bar. Nu bar. Okay, this is called wave number. What is wave number? The number of wavelength, number of wavelength, number of wavelength, wavelength, number of wavelength per centimeter, per centimeter, per centimeter, note down, per centimeter, number of wavelengths per centimeter is called nu bar, is called nu bar, is called nu bar. Okay, nu bar, another word I can say, nu bar is nothing but reciprocal of wavelength, reciprocal of wavelength. Nu bar is nothing but reciprocal of wavelength. Okay, nu bar, write down. Wave number is nothing but a number of wavelengths per centimeter, number of wavelengths per centimeter. Here, imagine the wave is moving like this. So it is moving like this. Okay. Okay. Per centimeter means 1 centimeter. You just take 1 centimeter here. Okay. 1 centimeter. I will just elaborate. Imagine this is 1 centimeter. This is not 1 centimeter. More than that is there actually. But per centimeter means 1 centimeter. Just imagine this is 1 centimeter. In 1 centimeter, how much the number of wavelength is present in 1 centimeter? Here only one wavelength is there. So if this frequency is too small, wave is too small, imagine it moving like this. So if I ask 1 centimeter, how many wavelength is there? It may be 1000. The wavelength is too small. Wave is too small, like this. Wave may be big, like this. Correct? Wave may be very, very small, like this. Correct? But movement is same, like this only. It is oscillating and it moving like that only. But just you consider 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter per centimeter here. In per centimeter, the number of wavelength, one wavelength means you know that one, this is one wavelength, one up, one down. That means one crest, one trough, one wavelength. So here sometimes it may be one wavelength, in per centimeter one wavelength. Sometimes it may be, if wave is too smaller, it may be 100 wavelength per centimeter, or sometimes it may be 200 wavelengths per centimeter, lakhs of wavelength per centimeter, who knows? Correct? No? So you are just saying that in 1 centimeter how many wave is there, that means how many wavelength is there. That means imagine this is one wave like this. Imagine this is 1 centimeter, how many wave is there? 1 down, 2, like this much amount. That is called wave number. In 1 centimeter, if it is wave is too small, more number of waves are there. Wavelength is more. Correct? No, like this. If it is very bigger one, very bigger one means, Imagine here half only covering 1 centimeter. It depends. In simple, I can say that in 1 centimeter, how many waves, or we can call it as how much wavelength is there. One wavelength means here to here. Like how many wavelength is present in this 1 centimeter per centimeter. It is called wave number. The measuring unit of wave number is also reciprocal of wavelength. Understood? Note down this formula. And also you can write, unit of this wave number, unit. SI unit is, standard unit is meter inverse. You can call it as 1 meter wavelength is present. See, here small is there. 10 meter is there. 20 meter wavelength is present in 1 centimeter. 1000 meter is present in 1 centimeter. It depends on the wave. And correct? No? Correct? Okay. Wavelength is depends on a particular wave frequency. Okay, leave it. Unit, SI unit is meter inverse. Otherwise, you can use centimeter inverse. Centimeter inverse is commonly used. Understood? Centimeter inverse. Standard unit is meter inverse. Okay. Just you take 1 centimeter. In that 1 centimeter, how many wavelength is there? That means one wavelength means here to here. One wavelength. Like 1000 wavelength may be there, or 2000 is there. Lakhs of wavelength is there. That is called wave number. It is also represented by nu bar. Okay. Okay, my dear students, as I already explained this is actually formula, the relationship between velocity, frequency, wavelength. Correct? No? This is actually, I just rearrange this one. This frequency you take this side and it becomes c by lambda, means velocity divided by wavelength. This same I can write like this. This is 1 by lambda into c. This is nothing but c by lambda. Correct? No? Correct. Just this basic mass. Frequency is equal to 1 by wavelength into c. Now, sometimes they may ask, give the relationship between wave number and this formula. Wave number, you just connect that wave number. This wave number is nothing but reciprocal of wavelength. This I marked as a star. This one I consider as equation 1. Star you put in equation 1. Star you substitute in equation 1. This one. What you will get? Nu is equal to 1 by lambda. 1 by lambda is nothing but what? Wave number. That I can substitute. 1 by lambda is nothing but wave number. Correct? Into c. So you got a new formula. Which formula? This one. This is the relationship between frequency. Frequency is equal to, frequency is nothing but what? Wave number into speed of light. This new formula. See, each time you note down, this is just a formula relationship between speed of light and speed of light is nothing but what? Wavelength into its frequency. Correct? No? Relationship. Just I rearrange that one. Correct? No? I got this one. And wave number means it is nothing but 1 by lambda. Substitute this one here in this formula. 1 by lambda is nothing but wave number. I got new formula. New formula is nothing but frequency is nothing but what? Wave number into speed of light. Correct? So, rearrangement of this formula. Please put a box like this and note down each time. Sometimes they may ask in problem. While doing sums at that time they may ask. They may give frequency and wavelength. Find the speed of light means just you multiply, you will get it. Correct? No? Sometimes they may give speed of light, wavelength and find frequency. You can use this formula. Correct? Sometimes they may give wavelength and speed of light, find the frequency. This formula you can use. So here in this formula they given speed of light and wavelength. Correct? So here also you can use this one. Sometimes they may give wave number and speed of light. You can find frequency. Correct? No? By rearranging this one, they may give sums on this particular. You solve this one, find the form, find this particular. Immediately you can find using this formula. Just rearrange which one you want. You can find out. Correct? No? So note down. Okay, my dear students, now it's a new topic. It's electromagnetic radiation, electromagnetic spectrum, electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, we know that all electromagnetic radiation moves with the speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter second inverse, blah blah blah. Correct? No? But one difference is there. This electromagnetic radiation having different frequency and different wavelength, not same. So you can differentiate easily. That means higher wavelength, low frequency. You are right. High wavelength, low frequency. That means low wavelength, high frequency. Vice versa. Correct? No? One wave having highest wavelength is there, means frequency is low. Lowest frequency means the highest wavelength. Correct? No? This you know down. What is electromagnetic spectrum? It's simple. Arrangement of different electromagnetic radiation. Different electromagnetic radiation. Which are the different electromagnetic radiation? Cosmic rays, gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet, visible, infrared, microwave, radio waves. These are different electromagnetic radiation. Arrangement of different electromagnetic radiation in their increasing order of wavelength or decreasing order of frequency. Increasing order of wavelength, decreasing order of frequency. Just I arranged this. This is cosmic ray, gamma ray, X-ray, visible, microwave, ultraviolet, infrared, everything I arranged according to here to here. When you come here to here, wavelength increases. Same time, otherwise you can say the definition, arrangement of different wave, arrangement of different electromagnetic radiation, different types of electromagnetic radiation in their in decreasing order of frequency. Here to here frequency decreases, here to here wavelength increases. That I mentioned here. If wavelength increases, frequency decreases. So you are arranging different electromagnetic radiations according to increasing order of their wavelength or decreasing order of their frequency. Can say that two definitions, increasing order of wavelength or decreasing order of frequency. You are arranging according to that. That is called electromagnetic spectrum. Spectrum means different types of electromagnetic radiation. You are arranging according to increasing order of their wavelength or decreasing order of their frequency is called electromagnetic spectrum. Now you can see cosmic rays. Here it is lowest frequency 10 to the power minus 18. It is not plus 18, don't get confused. Minus means low. Here wavelength is 10 to the power 2. So which one is greater? Wavelength 10 to the power 2 is greater. Here it is minus. So it is lowest. So here minus 18, minus 14. That means minus decreases. That means automatically increase in wavelength. Correct? No. When it reaches here, it is 10 to the power 2 plus 2. That means wavelength increased. From here to here, wavelength increased. You can see here, frequency 10 to the power 26 here. Here 10 to the power 6. That means frequency decreased. That means you arrange cosmic ray. Cosmic ray is wavelength is 10 to the power minus 18. Frequency is 10 to the power 26. Next you have to arrange which one, which electromagnetic radiation. Next wavelength is gamma ray, 10 to the power minus 14. Slowly increasing, wavelength increasing, same time frequency decreasing. Next you have to arrange X-ray, wavelength increasing, frequency decreasing. Next you have to arrange ultraviolet, correct? No. Next you have to arrange visible, it may be 10 to the power minus 8 here. After that 10 to the power minus 6. Here infrared, 10 to the power minus 4, correct? No. Wavelength slowly increases, frequency slowly decreases. Microwave, 10 to the power minus 2. Radio waves, 10 to the power 2. Which one having highest wavelength? Radio wave having highest wavelength. It has 10 to the power 2 wavelength, correct? No. Which one has the lowest frequency? Decreasing order of frequency. Lowest frequency is 10 to the power 6. Radio wave having lowest frequency. Which one has highest frequency? Cosmic rays having highest frequency. Same time cosmic ray is lowest wavelength, 10 to the power minus 18. Correct? No? You are arranging according to increasing order of their wavelength, decreasing order of their frequency, or decreasing. You are not counting together. As you can say, either you are according to increasing order of wavelength or decreasing order of frequency, is called electromagnetic spectrum. In this one, 10 to the power 6 wavelength, 10 to the power 6 meter inverse wavelength, that means meter. A wavelength is in meter inverse, understood? Frequency in second inverse, understood? Okay, 10 to the power 6 meter minus 6 meter inverse, it gives a visible wavelength. Visible means what we can see, correct? No. Visible wavelength start from 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. Which are visible colors? Vigor. Lowest wavelength is violet. Next indigo. Next blue. Next green. Next yellow. Next orange. Next red. Highest wavelength is red, 700 nanometer. Lowest frequency is red. Highest frequency is this one, violet, like that. Understood? This is called electromagnetic spectrum.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.